March is Brain Injury Awareness Month, and for almost 3 decades after my own brain injury, I didn't really acknowledge it. I pushed forward, I worked, I built businesses. From the outside, everything looked normal for other people. But internally, something had changed. A lot of high-functioning people live with this. They're still working, still leading, still providing. But everything costs more energy. Focus takes more effort. Recovery takes longer. High functioning doesn't mean unaffected. It means you adapted. The hardest part of trauma isn't always the event itself. It's the identity shift that comes afterward. If you built your life on discipline, drive, and output, and suddenly your capacity changes, it can feel like something's wrong with you. But what most people don't realize is that this is actually a nervous system shift. Your system is recalibrating. A lot of men respond to trauma the only way they know how. They push harder, more discipline, more effort, more intensity. But after trauma, intensity often backfires. Because when regulation drops, force doesn't create performance, it creates collapse. Rebuilding after trauma isn't about forcing your old life to work again. It's about learning your new capacity. That's where things like movement, sunlight, routine, and environment start to matter more than people realize. Simple habits rebuild real capacity. So if you're navigating life after trauma or major disruption, and you still look functional on the outside, but something feels different internally, what you're experiencing makes sense. Your capacity changed, not your character. Recovery isn't about returning to who you were. It's about building who you are now.